Hello students, I am Nilanjana Sanyal. Welcome you all to my channel Ines Online Math Classes. Now today's topic is solving quadratic inequalities using a sign diagram, also known as the number line method. This is the first session. We will be having two sessions on this particular method. As I have said before, you may solve quadratic inequalities by different popular methods, and I'll be trying to explain each of them. I have already explained the algebraic method. This is the second method that I have taken up, the sign diagram method, and it is up to you to decide which method to follow. Okay, so stay tuned till the end. I will be giving you the rules and I'll be explaining the rules with the help of a particular example. So first of all, let us take up that example. Let us take up that question. It is solved x squared minus x is less than or equal to 2. It is a quadratic inequality because the highest power of x is equal to 2. Now coming to the rules. The first rule says bring all the terms to one side of the inequality sign. The other side should have a 0. So we bring this 2 to this side. We could have taken x squared minus x to the side of 2, but I always prefer to have the sign of the term containing x squared as a plus sign. So I have brought the 2 to this side, and it is x squared minus x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Second rule says factorize the expression and get the zeros. So we factorize this expression using the middle term splitting method, and we have x plus 1 times x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0. And we get the zeros. For getting the zeros, we just ignore the inequality part for the time being, and we just read this statement as x plus 1 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. And we get the zeros as x equals negative 1 or x equals positive 2. Now coming to rule number 3. Draw the sign diagram to get the answer. Now this is the number line containing all x values, and you see the two zeros are marked, minus 1 and positive 2. And these two zeros divide this entire number line into three subdivisions, subparts. Okay? And we will be taking a particular value from each of these subparts as the value for x, and we will be substituting in this factorized expression. We can substitute in this unfactorized expression as well, but it is easier to calculate if you substitute in the factorized expression, so we'll be doing that. Okay? So first of all, we come to the leftmost region and we take the x value as negative 2. So negative 2 plus 1 and negative 2, negative 2. And we multiply. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1, and this is negative 4. Negative 1 times negative 4 is a positive 4. So we are getting a positive product when we take a value of x from the left side. We have taken x equals negative 2. You can verify if you take x equals negative 3. Let us see if we get a negative product as well for x equals negative 3. It is negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, and this part will be negative 3. Negative 2 is negative 5. So negative 2 times negative 5 is a positive 10. So again we are getting a positive product. You may try any value of x lying to the left of negative 1. You will always be seeing that the product will be a positive product. You will be getting a positive number as the product. Now coming to the middle region. Let us take one of the values from the middle region. I have taken x equals 0. You can take any other value as well. And it is 0 plus 1 and 0 minus 2. So it is 1 times minus 2, which is minus 2. So we are getting a negative product when we take the x value from the middle region. What about the rightmost region? X equals 3. I have taken the x value as 3, and it is 3 plus 1 and 3 minus 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Again a positive product. Okay. So since we need a negative product, this is the middle region which is giving us the x values, which will be making the product a negative number. So this is the middle region. This middle region is our answer. Okay. So our answer will be, and since the equality sign is also included, we have to include the equality sign also in our answer. Okay. So it is x is greater than or equal to -1, but is less than or equal to +2. This is our final answer. So students, this brings us to the end of this session. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We meet again very soon. Till then, bye.